If your Google Calendar is filled with repeated events, old meetings, or just a bunch of entries you no longer need, this video is going to help you clean things up fast. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete multiple events at once in Google Calendar using the easiest method available. This is a simple way to find matching events, review them, and remove them one by one without wasting time scrolling through your calendar manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best on a desktop or laptop because it gives you a full view of your calendar and makes searching much easier. Once Google Calendar loads, look at the top of the screen for the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass, and this is the key to finding the events you want to remove. Click that search icon to begin. Now type in the name of the event you want to delete. For example, if you want to remove a series of meetings, you can search for the exact event title, like team meeting, project call, appointment, or anything else that appears across multiple dates. You can also search for a keyword that shows up in the event name. After you type it in, review the search results carefully. Google Calendar will show you matching events, which makes it much easier to find the exact items you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct events, especially if your calendar has similar titles or recurring entries. Once you find one of the matching events you want to remove, click on it to open the event details. Inside the event window, look for the delete option. It usually appears as a trash can icon. Click delete to remove that event from your calendar. If Google asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it. Then repeat the same process for the other matching events you want gone. This is the best way to delete multiple events at once in Google Calendar when you want control over exactly what gets removed. It may not be a single bulk delete button, but using search makes the process much faster than hunting through your calendar day by day. If you have a lot of similar events, this method can save a ton of time and help you organize your schedule more efficiently. Another quick tip is to use specific search terms so your results stay clean and irrelevant. The more precise your keyword is, the easier it will be to find the right events and avoid deleting the wrong ones. So if you're clearing out old appointments, duplicated entries, or past reminders, search first, review the results, and then delete each matching event as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to delete multiple events at once in Google Calendar using the search feature. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Google Calendar tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.